somewhat.
How do I get on the
Here. Take the cord off of your wrist. Turn the board around. Hand me the cord. Not the board. Hand me the cord.
Oh. You gonna pull me?
Yep.
No.
Alright, you ready?
Now.
Hang on.
I'm gonna do it by myself this time.
Maybe.
This way.
Yeah, try doing it on your belly. Maybe you can do it that way.
I'm like, wait! Look at my board!
That was funny.
Hold on.
You gonna do it again? No. That's not too brave.
I'm gonna surfboard.
Yeah, you're gonna fall board is what you're gonna do. Go.
Hold on.
You just as well go down on your belly or something.
Ma'am?
Now go ahead, do what you're doing. Daredevil. Yeah, I guess it's better if you have a snowboard instead of a boogie board or whatever you call those things for the beach.
What?
Hey. Jace.
Ma'am?
Tell Daddy we miss him.
I miss ya.
I wish you were here playing with us in the snow.
I wish you were here playing with us in the snow.
You're going to go one more time?
Whee!
Oh, the board went by itself.
Hold on. Mom, how can you have your gloves off?
Because I couldn't, my camera is touchscreen.
Oh.
And if I got the gloves on, it won't work.
Ma'am?
I said if I have the gloves on, it won't work.
Oh.
You going one more time?
Ma'am?
You going one more time?
Yeah, but you pull me.
Okay, you like that better?
Hold on. There's that.
You ready?
Hold on. Mom, I wasn't ready. I said hold on.
Oh.